Today I want to show you how I develop this application, turning the normal PHPRad application to a very professional design with AI. Okay, I'm gonna publish. Alright, let me refresh for you to see. This is the dashboard, the design, and this is category. These are the traditional. This is the one that I designed with the AI. This is the one I also designed. This is users. Also, I designed them with AI. Alright, this is the dashboard. Now let's say okay, publish. They are still there. So let's go to the project explorer, category. Yes, we need to edit all these pages, so this is where I save them. I need to extract. Yes, these are the pages. Okay, edit. I'm going to copy them and highlight and delete the traditional one, input my custom code and click OK, publish. Alright, let's go and go to add page. You see it's already a change to the custom. So let's go to view. Now this is a traditional view page, so let's go and customize it. Go to view page. As well, open this view page, the original view page. Alright, copy the design, paste it there, say okay. Yes, publish, refresh. Let's go again to the edit. So this is the traditional page, edit page. Copy them, the custom code, go to the traditional code, paste it there, delete the traditional code and paste it there. That is it. Custom list page. Alright. The list page, delete the original one, paste the custom. I said okay, bam, that is it. Got it. Edit is working, everything is working, view is working, so everything is okay here. Let's go back. It's working. The AI that I'm working with. Alright, this is the prompt category. As you can see that this is my first prompt. Let me show you my first prompt that I gave. Alright, this is my first prompt. And I said I want you to design these pages to professional designs. As you can see, on the right side I have the add, edit, list and view page. So this is my second, or third? And this is version 9. The total version is version 9. So the more it creates and I test and I see that it is working, or maybe there's anything to adjust, I will also prompt it to, adjust it to my taste. I just find this useful, so I need to share it to people to help you in your development journey. Alright, thank you very much. This is Timothy Okekaro. Have a nice day.